Hello, riders. Welcome back to Rider Fusion, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. In today's video, we're diving into the 2025 Yamaha YZ450F, the latest beast in Yamaha's motocross lineup. Whether you're a pro racer or a passionate off-road enthusiast, this bike is built to push your limits. Let's get into it. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 YZ450F is powered by a 449 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled four-stroke engine, delivering massive power and torque for aggressive acceleration. With Yamaha's focus on optimizing performance, the engine's tuning is sharper, providing faster throttle response and excellent stability across various track conditions. Technology, Power Tuner app. One standout feature in the 2025 YZ450F is the Yamaha Power Tuner app. This game-changing technology lets you adjust fuel and ignition maps straight from your phone, giving you the flexibility to fine-tune your bike to your exact riding style and track conditions. It's a level of customization that no other bike in this class offers. Design and ergonomics. Yamaha's design team has refined the YZ450F's ergonomics for 2025. The slim, aggressive bodywork allows for better rider control and comfort, even during those long motos. Plus, the bilateral beam aluminum frame offers a perfect balance between strength and lightness, improving both handling and stability. Suspension and handling. With KYB suspension at the front and rear, the 2025 YZ450F offers a smooth, controlled ride on rough terrain. The fully adjustable setup allows for easy customization based on rider weight and skill level, ensuring a stable and responsive experience whether you're in the air or on the ground. Braking and stopping power. Stopping power? Not a problem. The 2025 YZ450F features high-performance disc brakes at both ends, giving you confidence in even the most challenging braking zones. Conclusion. To sum it up, the 2025 Yamaha YZ450F is a high-performance motocross machine that combines cutting-edge technology, powerful performance, and rider-focused design. Whether you're racing professionally or hitting the trails, this bike has everything you need to take your riding to the next level. Thanks for tuning in to Rider Fusion. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more reviews and updates on the best motorcycles out there. See you on the next ride.